All right, good morning. Good morning. How we doing today? It's go time. Go time, folks. Good morning, Coach Burt. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, about to go hit 3,000 people this morning. Man, I can't wait. I want to thank Doug and Tia Wood for the invite and for helping us be part of the family, man. So as you can tell, I'm in a beautiful, beautiful place here in Arizona called the Adero. And I wanted a very specific room, which was a suite that overlooked the, there's a suite right there that was overlooking this right here. Okay, but I woke up this morning with a message that I feel like there's a lot of people that need to hear. And it's, how do you get your confidence back once you've lost it? Confidence is a memory of success. Success happens through consistent repetition, ongoing practice. Lots of reps is how you get successful, folks. You learn, you recalibrate with a coach, with studying under a master, right? Over a long cycle of time. But somewhere along the way, you let, as Tim Story says, life knock the shout out of you. You put your confidence in other people's hands. You let one event define you. You don't prepare like you should. And the next thing you know, man, you wake up, Daniel, boom, all that confidence is gone. Lou Holtz used to say, Brian White, what takes years to build up can take seconds to tear down. Okay, so I've studied confidence at a very high level. I wrote a book on it called Swag because at one point in my life, I lost all of my confidence. And John Ard, I made up my mind. I made a decision that I was never, Sandinia, going to lose my confidence again. What's up, D. Hodges? Sorry I couldn't get back to you. I had to go to dinner last night. But I made up my mind, Daniel Hodges, Arlene, that I wasn't going to place my destiny in other people's hands. I wasn't going to place my confidence in other people's hands. Because this is when your confidence is in danger, folks. You take it from you and you give it to other people. And you say, well, if you think I'm worth it, then I'm worth it. If you don't think I'm worth it, I'm not worth it. So we have a strong desire to be liked. Strong desire, Christina, to be heard. A strong desire to be seen, Travis. And when people don't like us or they don't see us or they don't hear us, man, it hurts our feelings. And in the old days when you were in a tribe, the worst thing you wanted to do was get kicked out of the tribe, man. So you did whatever it took to stay within that tribe because you didn't want to get kicked out of the tribe, because if you got kicked out of the tribe, then you didn't have the support of the tribe. And if you didn't have the support of the tribe, Jim, then, man, you were out on your own, and nobody wanted to be out on their own. So they did whatever it took to stay part of the tribe. We still carry that with us today, man. So we supplicate, we obfuscate, any other skate word I can come up with, Jason Peck, just so people will like us, because we don't want them to hurt our confidence. Okay, I'm going to tell that group today, these 3,000 coaches today, when I speak in a few hours, there is no such thing as rejection, man. Kurt Greer, some will, some won't, so what? I'm only looking for people that are looking for me, man. And when you get to this place in your life, and you really make up your mind that your confidence is predicated by you, you don't ever give it up to other people. That includes your spouse, your kids, your parents, your friends, your coworkers. Your confidence is uniquely yours. I want you to put it in a key, put it in a lockbox. I want you to lock the door, and I want you to hold on to the key. Only you know if you should be confident or not. And there's so many people. Look at all this possibility here, man. There's no shortage of possibility, folks. There's a shortage of confidence. There's a shortage of conviction. There's a shortage of courage. If there's a shortage of anything, there's no shortage of money. There's no shortage of opportunity. There's a shortage of confidence. And you've been hearing me use this word today, remarkable boldness. Remarkable, striking, worthy of consideration of others. Striking. Other people notice when it's striking. Boldness. Boom, man. I'm not afraid of anything. I'll take my message out into the marketplace. Some will like it, some won't like it, and so what? We're just going to keep on moving. Because listen to this part. I'm only looking for people that are looking for me. I'm only looking for people that are looking for me. You got to go through a lot of duds to find the studs, folks. So, from Arizona, good morning. I'm Coach Michael Burt. I put these on YouTube almost every single day. Go follow me on YouTube, Instagram. Follow along the story today on Instagram, man. Or better yet, just get your booty to the lodge and get in person with me somewhere where I'm going to be. And I'd love to get in that room and just look eyeball to eyeball with you and show you how to build an unbreakable confidence, man. In everything you do in life, because it all starts there. It all starts with you believing in you. The first sale you got to make today is to you, man. It's to you. And so here's what I would tell myself, Ryan Chikelli. Here's my morning affirmation, because people ask me, Marcus, I am a person of interest. People are counting on me to show up, to grow up, and deliver. My positive energy is going to be greater than any negative energy I face today. There is no such thing as rejection. Some will, some won't. So what? I'm only looking for people that are looking for me. Now that is a morning affirmation, folks. So, love you.